In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice on Wix. If you're running a business, you know how important it is to have a streamlined invoicing process. Whether you're offering services, selling products, or both, creating clear and professional invoices is a must. Wix makes this process simple and intuitive, and today I'll guide you step by step so you can confidently create and send invoices to your customers. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel well equipped to handle invoicing directly within your Wix dashboard. So let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Wix account and head over to your dashboard. This is the central hub for managing your website, business tools, and overall operations. Once you're in the dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Next, navigate to the Setup section of your dashboard. This is where many of Wix's business tools are located, so it's always a great place to explore if you need to adjust your site settings or access various features. Now, hover over the menu option labeled Getting Paid. This menu is designed to help you manage all things related to payments, whether it's tracking transactions, setting up payment methods, or in this case, creating invoices. From here, click on the Invoices tab. This is where the magic happens. If you've never used Wix for invoicing before, don't worry. Everything is straightforward and easy to navigate. Once you're in the Invoices section, look for the Get Started button and select it. This will open up the invoice creation tool. It's designed to guide you step by step, so just follow along as we walk through each part. The first thing you'll do is choose a customer from your pre-added customer list. If your customer isn't already in the list, you'll need to add them manually first. Having an up-to-date customer list makes this process much faster in the long run, so it's worth keeping it organized. After selecting the customer, input a title for the invoice. The title should be clear and descriptive, so both you and your customer can easily identify what the invoice is for. For example, you might use something like Website Design Services, July 2023, or Product Order, invoice number 111 through 34. Next, add the products or services you're invoicing for. List each item separately, along with their respective prices. Be as detailed as possible here to avoid any confusion. For example, if you're invoicing for multiple items, include the quantity, price per unit, and a brief description of each product or service. If applicable, include any discounts your customer is receiving. Wix allows you to add discounts either as a specific dollar amount or as a percentage of the total. This is a great way to acknowledge special promotions or loyalty rewards if you offer them. You can also indicate if a deposit is required for the invoice. Specify either the percentage or the exact amount that the customer needs to pay up front. This is particularly useful for larger projects or services that require partial payment before work begins. Now, take a look at the issue date of the invoice. By default, it will show today's date, but you can adjust it if needed. After that, set the due date for the invoice. This will let your customer know when payment is expected. Be sure to choose a date that aligns with your standard payment terms, whether that's net 15, net 30, or something else. Finally, once everything is filled out and you've double-checked the details, click on Send Invoice to finalize and send it to your customer. Wix gives you the option to send the invoice directly via email, making the process seamless and efficient. And that's it. You've successfully created and sent an invoice using Wix. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.